I'm going to talk a little bit about the good and bad things you can do when creating a media presentation. Let's talk about it. The first thing I'm going to talk about is theme. Mostly with theme, we want consistency. So as you see on this template, which I downloaded from Slide Carnival online for free, is you see a simpler color of blue, the same font on all the slides, font colors. It all just kind of matches and flows. Even though the slides aren't exactly the same, they all go together. A bad example of a theme would be if your backgrounds, your fonts, colors, they don't match. It's not consistent as you flow through your presentation. We'd like them to all kind of flow. Variety. In addition to having a theme, it's also good to have variety. So back to these same 6 slides, none of them are exactly the same. They're designed a little bit differently. Some are centered, some have pictures, some have a picture background. But they still all follow that theme while having variety. This example here does not have any variety. Each slide is exactly the same, and that can cause presentations to be boring, and we don't want that for our audience. Your text. When we look at text, we want just the right amount. These are quick and to the point. It gives a definition with a vocab word and an example. Doesn't overwhelm you with text. This slide, however, is a bad example of how much language or text to use, and it is overwhelming not only with the amount of text, but also they're all very technical terms, and so it's a lot to take in all at once. Your brain can't process it all. Organization of your slides. I think these 2 slides are nicely organized. They still have white space, but they're also making a point, telling you what you need to know. So I think you need to have the right amount of pictures, text, and all those elements when you design and lay out your slide and organize it well. These 2 slides are kind of poor examples of well-organized slides. The orange one, the font is actually touching the picture, and on this white one, you have way too much going on. Brain overload. Too many pictures, too much information. Quality. Quality can be pictures or graphics. I think both of these pictures on these slides are clear, and they are very relevant to what we're learning about on both of the slides. So I think they're good examples of quality pictures. These, however, are not. This combine is misproportioned because it was stretched out, and this other person has all the copyright lines still through it, so it's not a good quality clip art. Motion. Motion can be good. You can reveal information slowly so that the audience can take it in better. Here, motion can be bad. The guy jump roping is very distracting. And animations and transitions can be good, but they can also distract and cause the presentation to not be successful.